Our team is working day and night to provide customers with good and simple services, so we pay full attention to customer satisfaction. If you want to buy from direct factory, come to easyline.com. This is the only online store where you will find factory, wholesale, and retail stores. Our company manufactures magnets. It is difficult to imagine today's industry without magnets. Magnets are used everywhere, whether visible or invisible, playing an important and irreplaceable role in modern industry. And many new applications are coming up every day. U-Polmag was founded in 2009 as a bright young generation of magnet manufacturers in China. We are always seeking success and progress. Against this changing market with increasingly fierce competition, we embrace challenges and rise to opportunities. After years of accumulation, U-Polmag has two joint venture factories in Ningbo and Zhuji, China. The factory in Ningbo focuses on neodymium magnets and samarium cobalt magnets, which has enabled us to keep production costs low while maintaining high-quality standards. Entering into another joint venture of magnetic assemblies and motors has enabled us to improve the cutting-edge technology of magnetic applications by providing professional, technical, engineering, and support. In addition, U-Polmag is integrating superior resources that connect upstream and downstream of the industry chain to help develop more solutions that benefit everyone, even if the product you need still needs to be invented. Our rich experience and deep-rooted passion for innovation, combined with efficient supply chain management, guarantee high-quality, cost-effective, and creative solutions for our customers. Easyline.com has come to the doorstep of nearly 220 countries with a new way of delivering. We hope you will also support and love easyline.com.